1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 grill right here. So let's go ahead and remove them. The last one. So once you remove it, the bumper, it's loose a little bit, you can squeeze your hand right here, really gentle, and push your grill. So what I figured out, guys, there's 3 clips on the top of the grill and 3 on the bottom and 2 on the sides as well. So make sure, as you can see on this grill right here, 3 on the top and 3 on the bottom. Make sure you click them before you're pulling out the grill, so that come out pretty easy after that. Yay! So to the second one, I might believe it's gonna be easy because right now we have a lot of room. You can squeeze your hand through this hole, the bumper hole right here. So let's go ahead and remove the second one too. Yep, easy. There is a new front grill, the carbon fiber grill. So let's go ahead and install it. Boom! That's it.